everyone. So for my birthday, my loving husband got me one of these 3-legged pots which I've been wanting for a while. So I thought today I'll do a video to show you how I'm going to season this pot before I start using it for cooking. So when you receive your pot, or when you buy your pot, if it's a brand new pot, it's not ready for you to start cooking in it, because if you do, your food is probably going to taste very metallic-y and not really good. So you need to season it with a bit of oil, which is what I'm going to do. I'm going to be using lard, and I've also got canola oil if I need to add some more oil to it. So to start, we'll wash it. Just as a warning, just to let you know that it does get quite smoky, so you want your vent fan to be on, and if you have another fan on, that will also be helpful. Like, we had our smoke detector go ballistic, so just to warn you guys, it will get smoky, but it's so worth it. Good luck. Okay, so my three-legged cast iron pot has been in the oven for an hour and 25 minutes at 425, and then I left it in there for another hour or so just so that it cools down a bit before I take it out. So I'm going to take it out. Let's see how it looks. Oh yeah, it's still quite warm in here. So here's our lid. Oh, that looks pretty good. Alright, and then the pot. Make sure you grab this pot really well because, man, it's heavy. Okay. I put a towel here because I don't want to damage my glass top. Oh, this looks lovely. Oh yeah. So next I'm going to do a video where I'm going to make a dish in here. Please continue to watch and like my videos.